Good morning, students. Welcome back to the 4th standard English class. Dear students, in previous class, we have discussed lesson number 7 exercise. In that exercise, we have discussed read and learn new words and their meanings. Who said to whom, name the following, and question answers. Today in this video, we will discuss activity language development. Okay, so first let's read the story. Okay, yes, Murali was a poor farmer. He worked for his master in his field. He toiled day and night, sweating in the hot sun and shivering in the cold winter. But he was treated like a slave by his cruel master. He did not get enough food to eat, or nor a few moments to rest. His master did not allow him to search for another job. Yes, listen here. Murali was a poor farmer. He was worked for his master in his field. Okay, and he spent day and night sweating in hot in the sun and shivering very badly in the cold winter. But he was treated like a slave or cruel by his master. He did not get enough food to eat also. And he was not giving few moments to rest also. His master did not allow him to search for another job. Okay. One day, he ran away from his cruel master. One day, he ran from his cruel master. He wanted to go another village. Murali wanted to go another village. He had to cross the jungle on the way. If he wanted to go another village, he had to cross the jungle on the way. While he was passing through the jungle, when the Murali was passing through the jungle, he heard the roar of a lion. He heard the sound of a lion. He was afraid and hid in a nearby cave. He was scared and he hid. Okay. He again heard the roar of a lion, but this time it was slow like a groan. He understood that this was unusual roar, as if a cry in pain. Yes, again Murali heard the sound of a lion, but this time the sound was very slow. And the lion was roaring in a pain. And as well as Murali understood it. Okay, yes, just then he saw the lion come limping towards the cave. He sat down under a tree outside the cave. Yes, just then Murali saw the lion coming near to the cave. So he sat down under a tree. Okay, outside of the cave. Yes, Murali thought, the lion must be in pain. It needs my help. Now Murali thought the lion must be in pain. So that lion need the help from me. The lion needs the help from me. Yes, he pitied the lion. Trembling with fear, he slowly approached the lion. He saw that the lion had a big thorn its paw and it gave him a lot of pain. Now Murali wanted to approach the lion. He saw that lion was in big pain in its paw and he gave him a lot of pain. It gave him a lot of pain. For whom? For lion. Okay. Murali gently pulled the thorn out. He took out a small piece of cloth from his torn headgear and tied around the wound. Yes. Now Murali gently pulled the thorn out and he took out a small piece of cloth and he tied that piece of a cloth around the wound. Okay. The lion thanked him by licking his hands. Now the lion thanked to the Murali by licking Murali's hands. Murali stayed in the cave that night, and as well as Murali stayed in the cave on that night and reached the village on the other side of the forest. Next day he reached the another village. Okay, other side of the forest. The next day he was employed by a kind shopkeeper on a good salary. Murali was happy and lived in a peaceful life. Now Murali was working in a shop. Okay, and he was employed by a kind shopkeeper and he gave him a good salary also. Now the Murali was very happy. Now he was living peaceful life. Okay, yes. Now let's discuss the exercise. Yes, answer the following questions. A1. Who was Murali? Answer. Murali was a poor farmer. Next, B1. How was he treated by his master? B1 question. How was he treated by his master? Answer. He was treated like a slave by his cruel master. Next, C1. Where did he want to go? Answer. He wanted to go to another village in search of job. Next, D1. What did he do when he heard the first roar of the lion? Answer. When he heard the first roar of the lion, he got scared and hid in a nearby cave. E1 question. What did he do when he saw the lion in pain? Answer. Murali gently pulled the thorn out of the lion's paw. He tied the piece of headgear around the wound. Next, F1. How did the lion thank him? The lion thanked him by licking his hands. G1 question. Who employed Murali? A kind shopkeeper employed him on a good salary. Yes, listen here. Once again, I'll repeat the G answer. A kind shopkeeper employed him on a good salary. Next, question number 2. Yes, pick up the parts of speech from the above story. Write them in the proper columns. Yes, we have to pick parts of speech above the story. Okay. Yes. First column, proper nouns. Second one, common nouns. Third one, prepositions. Fourth one, adjectives. Fifth one, conjunctions. Yes, in proper nouns we should write Murali. Okay, next in common noun, farmer, lion, master, cave, shopkeeper. Yes, prepositions. Moving to the next column, preposition. Yes, in, to, nearby, from, towards, for, on, by, through. Next, adjectives. Poor, cruel, slow, peaceful, kind. Next, conjunctions. But, and, nor, while, that. Okay? Yes. Question number 3. Give a suitable title for this story. Answer is kindness. Okay. Next, writing skill. Explain in your own words. How should we treat servants working for us? What is the question here? How should we treat servants working for us? Answer. We should treat our servants with respect. We should treat our servants with respect. Next, B1. You see an injured pigeon. How would you help it? Answer. I would take care of the injured pigeon. Okay. So, today we have completed the exercise of language development activity. So, students, you all have to write this language development activity exercise in your classwork neatly. Okay, thank you, children.